Howdy crew, got another unboxing for the welding rig. Let's get to it. So I ordered this from Lowell's a little while ago, finally got it, so I'm very happy about it, and gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. I do want to say, if the picture looks a little bit yellow for y'all, it's not a filter, it's the smoke from the fires going on here in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. So that's why it may look a bit more yellow. Everything looks a little bit yellow, a lot of smoke going on. Didn't get to do this yesterday because of all the high winds. You wouldn't be able to hear a thing I'm saying. And yeah, all that good stuff. So finally able to do the unboxing today, which I'm very happy about. Alright. Yeah, so wildfire's going on here, that's why everything's looking just a little bit yellow tinted and whatnots. And if you hear any sirens, they might be heading that direction. I already know my city has a bunch of firefighters sent there because I'm here in Los Angeles, so they got sent over there. All right, this critter I thought would be great for the rig. I think it's an ingenious idea. I've not had one of these before, so I'm pretty excited about it. Make sure I'm not throwing out any extra pieces, which I think it should all be put together. At least it should be. Maybe not. I'm not sure what this part is. It's empty. So, got a decent amount of weight to it. I wasn't expecting it to weigh as much as it does. Not that you can't carry it, but I was not expecting it to weigh this much. And it's probably 30 something pounds. Maybe going on 40, I'm not sure. It feels like it'd be even heavier than that. So what this is, that feels definitely heavier than 40, maybe 50, like a 50-pound bag of horse feed. It is Extend Climb. Basically what it is, it's a ladder and you just keep extending it out. Obviously I've never used this before, so I'm gonna experiment with it. And this is rated for 300 pounds. Now, I get it, I do not weigh 300 pounds, but I weigh about 200, a little bit less than 200, around about the 200 mark. And then with gear, carrying stuff up, I want to be able to carry 200. There were other ladders that were similar that were less expensive that could carry 250, but I didn't want to chance it whatsoever with 250 rating because that's just not enough, especially if I'm carrying the suitcase up somewhere, and I just didn't want to have to deal with that. So, this piece. How about that? That's amazing. How cool is that? And it's not even fully extended, but I could get way up there. I like that. Then go push these in, it looks like. I assume. There we go. Try not to lose any fingers. Obviously, I've not used this before, so if I'm not doing it quite right, probably should. There we go. Ha! cool. Like I said, I've never used that before, but that is neat. And this is a 15-foot ladder. Now, obviously you're not gonna be going straight up most likely, but at a good angle, that's what, getting you 10, 12 feet pretty easily. Very happy with it. I'll bring it back up. And then it has this nice strap that goes here. And the brand is Extendable safest telescoping ladder, contractor series, 300-pound duty rating, 15.5-foot ladder, 19.5-foot reach. Double molded feet for durability and traction. It's those. And then what else does it have? That's it. So it has that. And it has some warranty stuff. So it has a carrying bag, which I'm not going to get, and rung covers that are silicone. I'm not going to do that because I'm not planning to put this on drywall or anything. There goes the wind again. It's been feeling fires. Not near as bad as it was the other day. It was 50+ mile-an-hour winds, which it's not way out of the spectrum of winds, but stronger than what's normally around here. So yeah, I really like that, and it has all of its little warnings on there. Good stuffs, and looks like these are ones that would be locking. So that's different. I will read the instructions on that, but that's neat. I really like that. Let me go ahead and pull this off so I can demonstrate that it does hold some weight. Not getting stung by a bee. So I know you're not supposed to face the opposite way on the ladder, but it does hold me, and it doesn't give, it's a lot sturdier than what one might think. First time I saw it, I was very skeptical, but I can lean against this and it's no problem. Again, I'm close to 200 pounds. So yeah, I'd say it holds pretty darn good. Very happy with it, and it's great for fitting in tighter spots. I will be getting some other ladders that are more the fiberglass, because again, with welding, it's electrical shock hazard. But I want something strong to where if I need more of a step ladder, I could have this, because it's not as tall as a lot of the ladders. Obviously it's not A-frame, but that's perfectly fine. And then if I needed to go in a narrow spot and extend way up somewhere, this is great, because it's a huge pain getting some of the taller fixed ladders into spots, or some of the, I really like the A-frames that extend, but if I didn't need an A-frame, this is a great solution. I'm really happy with it. So I will be reading the instructions more on these things, but I just want to get it out, make sure that was in good condition, and so that way if I had to return it, I could do that. But it looks great, it looks sturdy. I really like how it feels. It is mostly aluminum. Obviously the steps are rubber or plastic, got some rubber on them, but they're heavy duty feeling, and I like that. They're not giving whatsoever. So this is great, I really like it. And yeah, I'll obviously keep you all updated on reviews out in the field once the truck is done. And the poor truck right now, it's covered in ash. It looks terrible. But yeah, it feels great, it looks great, and I don't see anything to complain about, so that's great. I don't like buying stuff and then having issues with it. So I like having stuff like this where it comes out of the box, figure out how it works, and everything looks great, feels great. A little bit more information on this really quick. So I double checked it, and it is a 40-pound ladder. and some folks may say that's a bit heavy for a ladder. For being this kind of construction, I don't see it as being too heavy, so that's fine by me. Obviously, I'm not going to want to just carry around this all day for fun, but 40 pounds, that's not bad at all. Most likely I'll have this on the ladder rack if the mesh can be on there, but I'm not thinking it will be, unfortunately. So this will either be in the bed, locked down, or maybe in one of the toolboxes on the top sides of the bed. So we'll see how that goes. I did figure out that this part was for carrying it. So you have your hand here and it kind of pads your hand, which I think that's a pretty cool idea. And also this is a $400 ladder. So I think it's $390 to $400. So definitely on the pricey side, but for being able to fit in tight spots, this would have been amazing in some of the job sites downtown, fitting in narrow spots. Even though it's high rise, there's actually a lot of tight spots, especially in the bottom parts of them, the podiums. So anywho's, I really think this is gonna work out great. That's why I spent the money on it. Again, it's $400 for this ladder. It was quite a bit of money, but I think it's very much worth it. I'm very excited to use it in the field. And yeah, just thought I'd give y'all that extra little tidbit of information. Hope y'all enjoyed.